Hello my dear students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In this video we are going to discuss about the difference between e-commerce and e-business. Let us once again recollect what is e-commerce. E-commerce is the platform where selling and buying or exchange of goods will be taking place. That is what we understood according to the previous sessions. Now once again we will try to see what is e-commerce. So e-commerce refers to the companies and individuals that buy and sell goods and services over internet. It is very important. We have to remember that is e-commerce is done, that is a exchange of goods and services will be taking place through internet. So e-commerce operates in different types of market segments and can be conducted over computers, tablets, smartphones and other smart devices. So these are the gadgets or devices which facilitate e-commerce. Then nearly every imaginable product and service is available through e-commerce transactions, including books, music, plane tickets, financial services and stock investing, online banking. Almost all areas e-commerce is available. Then major features of e-commerce. So first is ubiquity, that is shopping exchange, that is exchange of goods will be taking place or exchange of products or services will be taking place 24/7. So anytime, whenever we have time, we can order that, we can browse that and we can order. It is available. So exchanging of business data over web can be done 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, so that they can shop or do other transactions from any location at any time. Then coming to global reach. So global reach is marketplace which can be any corner of the world. So this e-commerce, from any place or any location of the world you can do the e-commerce. That is, you can buy the products with the help of internet. So marketplace is expanded from small region, town, city to national and international level. In a cost effective, with very less cost we can shop, and it is user friendly also. So richness, e-commerce enables the use of text, video and audio to be delivered by the merchant to its consumer. So for example, if we want to shop anything, we can see all the particulars, details, specifications about the product, and even sometimes we see demo also, that is how is the product, what are the specifications, what are the material used to manufacture that, and how it is useful, everything. It will be even displayed with the help of audio and video, that is demo will be shown. And reduced cost. So cost also very less. If we want to shop anything traditionally or manually, we have to pay transportation cost, and we have to visit, we have to have time for that, take time to go there and check, and also spend time. Maybe sometimes it is very far distance, sometimes the climatical conditions may not be favorable. So in this e-commerce, it is not required that whatever time we are convenient, it is convenient for us, we can shop it. In this way, it is, the cost is reduced. So at the merchant point of view, the cost of creating, processing, distributing, storing and retrieving paper based information. So all these facilities are available, provided in the e-commerce without any paper use. So at the consumer point of view, the cost of products and services offered by e-commerce to its customers is very less. So without any cost, we can browse the information about the product. Then personalization and customization. So according to our interest, according to our requirement, we can browse it. That is, we can know the information and availability of the products. So the data can be customized with the interest of and past purchases of the individual customers. So e-commerce helps in understanding the user's needs quickly and carry universal standards that are shared globally. So if we want to we are particular about a product specifications, you can see lot many things which are available related to that. Then what is e-business? So e-business is any process that a business organization conducts over a computer mediated network. There we understood it is internet platform. Here we are understanding it is as computer mediated network. So business organizations include any for profit, governmental or non-governmental entity, that is maybe government profit motive organization, non-profit motive organization and government organizations. So their process include production, customer and internal or management focused business process. So this process includes production, customer, internal or management focused business process. Then let us understand the differences between e-business and e-commerce. So e-business, it focuses on customer services, collaboration of partners and distributors, suppliers and buying and selling information, exchange of primary focus. All these activities goes on under e-business. So e-commerce, when we talk about e-commerce, it focuses mainly on buying and selling of products on internet. And when coming to e-business, more generic than e-commerce. In e-business, in e-commerce is less generic than e-business. And in it supports business processes along the entire value chain, that is entire value chain. So what is value chain? Value chain is a process or the activity where right from the purchase or inquiring about the requirement of the necessities of the products or the materials till it reaches to the customer, that is value chain. So this entire chain, that is the reason we call it as entire chain. So e-business will support or facilitate complete chain, complete value chain. Then under e-commerce, the support only for buying and selling of the products, that is information exchange. So this is the difference. In case of e-business, it supports complete value chain. In case of e-commerce, it supports only buying and selling of the products or services. Then it enables companies to efficiently, flexibly link their back office, that is internal and front office process in case of e-business. In case of e-commerce, the linking does not exist. The linking of the back office and front office does not exist. Then it places the key processes like CRM, SCM and ERP on web. So business e-business facilitates the places key processes like CRM. CRM is customer relationship management, and SCM, supply chain management, and ERP, that is enterprise resource planning. So these three are very, very important for any organization. Mostly large organizations are running with this software only, with the help of these things. So e-business facilitate those key processes. Under e-commerce, it usually requires only a website. And the scope of e-business is wider than e-commerce. The scope in case of e-commerce is limited, that is narrow. Then e-business is more appropriate to business context, whereas e-commerce is more appropriate business to customer. So business to business means distributor to retailer, manufacturer to distributor, all these comes under business to business, whereas business to customer, customer is the end person who will be receiving the product or who is the person who uses the product. Then e-business covers internal as well as external business process or activities, whereas e-commerce covers outward external process only. Okay. So coming to the important questions, it can be asked like what are the major key differences between e-commerce and e-business, or major features of e-commerce and how it is different from the e-business. So or he may be asking like distinguish between e-business and e-commerce. So I hope this video is helpful in understanding about what is e-business, what is e-commerce and what are the differences between e-business and e-commerce. Thank you.